Good morning, dear students. Welcome. Welcome for the online teaching program organized by Gokhale Education Society. And I am Bhushan Sudhakar Patil, PS Patil, teacher in HL High School English Medium, Ozhar Township. Dear students, as we all know that because of the spread of coronavirus, that is COVID-19, we cannot go to the school and take our education, and that's why our society has decided to provide education to the students through online education program. And now I am, as a social studies teacher, I shall teach you history, civics and geography for standard 6th.
Today we are going to study geography. In previous lesson we have studied the third lesson of geography, and now we are going to study the fourth lesson, that is weather and climate. In this lesson we are going to learn some terms as weather, climate, elements of weather, temperature, air pressure, and through these terms we are going to learn about the weather and climate. First term, weather. Short-lived atmospheric conditions prevailing at a place and at a given time is called weather. Dear students, you have to learn this definition. It is given in your book also. It is very important. First of all, try to understand it. Short-lived atmospheric conditions prevailing at a particular place and at a given time. Means, for example, for some particular time, the atmospheric conditions of a particular place, for example, Nasik, and at a given time, for example, in the month of September, or for example, on 4th or 5th of September, these atmospheric conditions of Nasik at that particular time is called weather of Nasik. Second, climate. The average weather condition of a place observed over a long period of time is called climate of that region. Again, very important term, climate. You should know what is the difference between weather and climate. For so many times people get confused and mixed it. Weather is different and climate is different. So what is climate? The average weather condition of a place observed over a long period of time is climate. What is weather? Of a given time of a place, and climate is average weather conditions. The third point, elements of weather. First, temperature, air pressure, winds, moisture, precipitation are the elements of weather. You should know which are the elements of weather. Elements of weather affect our day-to-day activities and lifestyles. For example, temperature, air pressure, winds affect our day-to-day life. Moisture, all these elements affect our day-to-day life and activities. Next point, temperature. The Earth's surface gets heat from the sun. As a result, the surface gets heated up. As we move upward from sea level, the temperature of air decreases. The temperature also goes on decreasing from the equator towards both poles. And the last point, that is air pressure. Pressure created by the weight of air is called air pressure. There is a greater air pressure near the surface of the earth and it decreases with increasing height. This is vertical air pressure. Temperature zones lead to change in air pressure. These changes occur in a horizontal manner. This gives rise to winds. So through these 5 points we try to learn the weather and climate in this part 1, and we will continue this lesson in part 2 in next week. Thank you.
Students, now we have studied the lesson or topic, and you have to review it at least 1 or 2 times, and you have to read the text also, so that you can get what you have missed, and of course you have to answer the questions given in the exercise. So dear students, I hope you have understood everything what I taught you. So stay home, stay safe.